guys, this is Curse 7. We're gonna make now an elevator.
Hey guys, my name is Rastoy, and today we're playing Two Shooters!
We're gonna make an elevator. This is not unbuilt. This with the command block. Then we're gonna what's this? Missing color, boring. We're gonna push this command block. Then just wait for a minute. Then this is my house. Wow, that's a good house. Then look at
And
it.
my name is Rastoy,
There he is my cousin.
and that's an elevator. Look at that. Boom! And it's a second floor!
Then look at this again. Boom. What's this? Up. Yes. Boom. Then this my house. I know it's dumb.
It's so buggy!
I know it's dumb. It's really dumb. Then
So ugly!
wait. Then we're gonna wait. We're gonna make an elevator just third floors. I'm just gonna took the things. Just gonna the video. Then guys, this all the things we need hard to. Then we're gonna make the basement. Then guys, this is the third floor. Then we're gonna go to the second floor.
ano ba yan, Kuya Jiggy?
Then I want the command block place here. I want to place the command block there.
Jiggy, it's a baboy ramok.
Then guys, I'm gonna put the command block over here. Then we need to place in here. Then we need to spawn point in downstairs. We need to spawn point to the downstairs. Slash spawn point slash spawn point. Then 789 542. Then you need to type slash tp at at p at p. I just forget it, guys. Sorry. Then guys, we done it. Then we're gonna test this. Boom! It's really awesome. Then another command block I will just put there. Then here, then there. Just need to place in here. Then we're gonna spawn point to the second floor. Until we done this. Slash spawn point. There we go. It's 788 11 43 7 88 11 slash TP. Oh no, at wait, at P. No, what's wrong? You need to add P. There you go. Add P and what's this? 788 11 43 788. Oh, sorry guys, I just forget. There you go, guys. We got it. Then we'll test it. Yeah, it's look awesome. Then here we're gonna make just upstairs. Then the command block you need facing here. You know that actually. Then you need to spawn point to the third block. Why is so awesome? Then you need slash spawn point 7 789, 1643, 789. Slash slash at P749. I know it's 749. Look it. Oh no, we're wrong. 789. Yes, I'm gonna post it. Then we're gonna go. Then guys, we got it. Then we're gonna test it. I think this this is gonna be awesome. Look at it. An elevator. Then we're gonna make down to the second floor. Here. Then command block. Then I need this 1 point. I'm on here. Then in the co-watching. That's my house, so creepy. Then I'm just joking. It's not creepy. Then it's made slash stone point. There you go. 788 1141. There you go. Select TP at P. Then I just forget it, the numbers. Just wait, guys. We got it. We gonna test it. Call this work. Please this work. Boom. Oh, it's awesome. Look at it. Boom. Then this so cool. Third floor. Then guys, just smash that like button. Smash that like button. Then push that subscribe button. I teach you how to make an elevator. Then forgive me to push that like button. Then subscribe it. Just for me and my cousin Rasbis08 and Mia channel. Then Composer06. It's so cool. Like elevator. Look at it. Yahoo. Please just subscribe to my cousin. Don't forget to subscribe to Mia channel and Composer06 and Crayon7 and Rasbis08. Mia channel. Subscribe there and push that like button. And subscribe to Cray07. Don't forget to my cousins and my brother. Goodbye.